If an ex-employee left a fake Yelp review, you're losing 40% of new customers, and here's how ReputationZilla removes it fast. Here's the problem. Yelp sides with reviewers 91% of the time. Flag the review within 48 hours. Yelp prioritizes fresh disputes by 3x. Screenshot proof the person was fired. Boosts removal odds by 67%. An ex-employee gets terminated on Monday. By Wednesday they post a 1-star Yelp review calling your business toxic. Within 7 days your bookings drop 38% because Yelp surfaces new negative reviews first. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle revenge reviews that violate policy. Most businesses waste 3 weeks appealing wrong. We know the exact policy language Yelp respects. Most people fail here. They flag the review as fake and write, "This person never worked here." Wrong move. Yelp doesn't verify employment. They only remove reviews that violate content policy, meaning personal attacks, threats, or conflict of interest. If you call it fake without citing the exact policy violation, Yelp auto-rejects in 72 hours. With ReputationZilla we cite the conflict of interest clause and attach termination proof in one filing. Step 1. Gather termination documents dated within 90 days of the review. Yelp's policy desk honors recent employment conflicts. Export the review text, the reviewer's profile link, and your business Yelp URL into one folder. This takes 12 minutes. Or let ReputationZilla handle the entire evidence package. We know exactly which documents Yelp accepts. Step 2. File a dispute under Yelp's conflict of interest policy. This is important. Do not select fake review or defamation. Those flags get auto-rejected in 91% of cases. Select reviewer has a conflict of interest and paste this exact line in the notes field. Yelp processes conflict disputes in 5 to 9 days versus 14 to 21 for defamation claims. ReputationZilla files under this clause and follows up daily until removal. Here's the problem. If you ignore the ex-employee review, Yelp's algorithm pushes it to the top of your profile for 60 days because it's recent and has high engagement. Every potential customer sees it first. You lose 40% of walk-ins in month 1. By month 3, competitors outrank you on local search because your star average tanked. Most businesses never recover that lost revenue. Now the advanced move. After you file the dispute, send Yelp a follow-up email within 24 hours to case escalation. Use this exact subject line. Conflict of interest review removal, case ID, your case number, urgent policy violation. In the body, paste this. The reviewer name was terminated from business name on date. Attached termination letter confirms employment ended X days before review posted. Per Yelp Content Guidelines Section 4.2, this constitutes conflict of interest. Request immediate removal. Attach the termination PDF. This escalation gets human review in 48 hours instead of 7 days. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. We handle the entire escalation process end to end. Conflict of interest review removal, case ID, your case number, urgent policy violation. The reviewer name was terminated from business name on date. Attached termination letter confirms employment ended X days before review posted. Per Yelp Content Guidelines Section 4.2, this constitutes conflict of interest. Request immediate removal. Flag within 48 hours with termination proof attached. File under conflict of interest, not fake review. ReputationZilla removes ex-employee reviews end to end. Link below. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete dispute service. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.